Me too.
A day with Emma and Lucy. Emma loves to wake up early.
So do I. I enjoy the quiet morning air and the sound of birds.
She is always full of energy in the morning.
So am I.
It feels good to start the day feeling happy.
Emma was very sleepy last night after reading a book.
So was I.
That story was long, but really nice.
She can speak a little French.
So can I.
Bonjour. Ça va?
Emma has a dog named Max.
So do I.
My dog's name is Bruno. They could be friends.
She will go to the park this afternoon.
So will I. Maybe we'll meet there.
Emma likes to dance in the kitchen while cooking.
So do I.
Music always makes cooking more fun.
But she didn't enjoy the movie we watched last night.
Neither did I. It was a bit slow and confusing.
Emma isn't afraid of spiders.
Neither am I. But snakes?
No, thank you. She wasn't at school last Friday.
Neither was I. We both had a cold.
She can't swim very well.
Neither can I. Maybe we should take a class together.
Emma hasn't been to New York.
Neither have I. But I hope to go someday.
She won't travel next month.
Neither will I. We're both staying home to save money.
Like and subscribe to the channel.